Hey everyone, welcome to Mondays with Dr. Murray. The question for this week that we got into the clinic is as follows. Dr. Murray, when I get an adjustment, I hear a popping sound. What is it, and is it supposed to happen?
Good question. Again, it's one of the most common questions I do get asked because a lot of people are just freaked out by that sound. And all it is a combination of nitrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas being released from the joint after an adjustment. Totally safe, and it doesn't happen every single time you get adjusted. Sometimes there's gas in the joint, sometimes there's not gas in the joint. So I hope that answers your question. Actually, UCLA research study said that people that crack their knuckles, which is the same thing, the gas being released from the joint, is actually health for the joint. So again, I hope you survive Stampede Week and have a good upcoming week. Bye.